Today we will be going over the ear lesson plan. For the learning objectives, the students will explore their sense of hearing and they will learn the parts of the ear and how ears transmit sound. Before class, make sure you have all the materials ready and have the diagram of the ear printed and ready for the students. For the materials, you will need one balloon, a cardboard roll, tape, cardstock, shoebox, a wooden spoon, large plastic bowl or box, a small bowl of water, and a straw. The relevance questions are interactive questions and the students should be given a chance to answer. Then you go over the answers provided in the lesson plan with them. Make sure you ask all the questions provided and give the students about 3 minutes to answer. For the formative pre-assessment, ask the questions to the students to get an idea of what they know on the subject before starting the activity. For critical thinking, you will explain to the students how volume is measured in decibels. Go over the risks of being exposed to loud sounds and make sure to go over the nutrition section as it is important for the students to know the role of a balanced diet in maintaining their ears healthy. For the integrative activity, you will pass out the printed ear diagram to the students and explain the different parts of the ear and their functions. Have the students refer to the diagram during this activity. Before starting the activity, make sure that you have all the materials listed here. The students will work on building a model of the ear. First, they will cut the neck off of the balloon and stretch it tightly over one end of the cardboard roll. On the other end of the cardboard roll, create a cone using the cardstock with a thumb-sized hole at one end. Place the narrow end of the cone into the open end of the cardboard box and tape it in place. Then tape a straw to the center of the tightened balloon end of the roll. You will proceed to filling the small bowl of water about 2/3 full, then balance the cardboard roll onto the open top of a shoebox. Or you can also create a stand with cardboard so that the end of the straw just dips into the water. You will tape into place. Now you have created your model ear. It may not look like an ear, but it will demonstrate how sound waves travel through the ear and vibrate the eardrums. At the end of your model ear with the funnel, create a loud noise. You can do this by banging on your large plastic bowl with a wooden spoon. While you're making the noise, watch the water in the bowl. The sound waves will be funneled through the cardboard tube to the tight balloon at the end of the tube. The sound should vibrate the balloon, causing the straw tape to move. This tiny movement can be seen by ripples in the water. If you aren't seeing movement in the water, experiment with louder sounds, larger funnels, larger tubes, or tighter balloons on the end of the tube. This demonstration is what happens in the ear when sound waves are collected by the ear and sent through the ear canal to vibrate the eardrum. For the closing reflection, the students will think about what they learned today and answer questions. For example, how can you prevent hearing loss? What foods are important in maintaining healthy ears? And can you recall the order in which sounds travel to the ear?